Hello from Turkey. Today we will play a game, a traditional game. It is mendil kapmaca in Turkish. It means handkerchief snatching in English. Okay, let's start. Firstly, we will explain the game. Okay, Eslem.
Handkerchief snatching. There
Okay.
should be two teams and I refer.
Okay, two teams. First team and the second team. Okay.
One student should hold a handkerchief.
Okay. Handkerchief is here. Okay.
In the game,
Okay.
one student comes from each group.
Okay, there are two students. First and the second student. Okay.
The referee starts the game.
Okay.
Players try to take handkerchief.
Handkerchief. Okay.
The student
Shouldn't be cough. Okay, enough, Eslan. Thank you. If you are cough or aren't cough, 1 point is earned. Okay. Okay.
Whoever gets more points wins.
Have a fun. Okay, let's start. Okay, Meli. Count number 1, 2, 3. Okay, run. Yes. Oh, yes.